Welcome back to the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive. In Part 4, we will cover the import from flash drives. It is possible to import media from external devices like flash drives and hard disks, and I just plugged in a big flash drive here. And basically, it's the same like with the Wi-Fi transfer app. You will see all the content on the device, and you will be able to import media files. What is especially important is this bar here, because you can either select import files. In this case, they will be copied to your local hard disk, or you can also add the drive to your library similar to how you added files before. For example, I can say Add to Media Library. And therefore, I will always see the media on the drive in my media library. Even if the drive is unplugged, I can see its content here. Now it's still creating the thumbnails for all the media files on the drive. We will let this finish to give you the full experience. Even a network-attached storage can be added to your media library. So even if the storage is not permanently attached to your PC or to your network, you can still add it, which is a nice benefit of this media library concept. To show you how it works, I will simply remove the flash drive from the PC, and you will see what happens. All the files are still there. They just get a little red flag, which means the files are offline. This is the beauty of a media library. Everything is present, and you can browse it. And if you reinsert the flash drive or your hard disk, the red flag will go away, and you will be able to use your files and open them and edit them as before. And of course, if you want to get rid of anything and you don't want to see it in your library anymore, this is possible anytime. You can always go to the settings, remove it, and it will disappear from your library. Okay, so now we have imported quite a lot of files into our media library, and now we can do some things with them finally. And the first thing we want to do is to search for single items. I will just collapse the sidebar a little bit to make it look more nice. As you have maybe noticed, we have different views here. So the default view is the timeline where you see all your photos in a chronological order. If you know when the photo or video was taken, you can just scroll to the item, similar to what you do in the gallery on your phone. In the next video, we will have a closer look at the Faces and Places tabs. Stay tuned.